What is the public charge rule for Latino families in America? Imagine trying to get help for your family and feeling unsure if it might affect your future in the United States. That's what many Latino families face with the public charge rule. This rule is part of U.S. immigration law that looks at whether an immigrant might relying too much on government support. If they are seen as likely to depend on public benefits, it could make it harder for them to get a green card or enter the country. The rule mainly applies to people applying for a green card or coming into the U.S. on certain visas like student, work, or family visas. It does not affect those renewing a green card, applying for U.S. citizenship, or many humanitarian cases like asylum seekers, refugees, or victims of crime. For families raising children in America, understanding this rule is key because it can cause worry about using public programs. Most benefits like Medicaid, which covers health care for children and pregnant women, do not count against families under this rule. Food assistance programs like CalFresh, housing help, school lunch programs, and emergency services are also safe to use. Only a few cash aid programs and long-term care services are considered when deciding if someone is a public charge. Children under 21, whether born in the U.S. or not, are usually not affected by the public charge rule. Using health or nutrition programs for children will not put their parents at risk of losing immigration status. The rule has changed over the years, and since late 2022, it is clearer that many immigrants can access these benefits without worry. For Latino parents, this means they can feel more confident about seeking health care, food support, and housing help for their children. It's important to get correct information and legal advice if needed. Knowing which programs are safe to use helps families care for their children's health and well-being without fear of losing their immigration status. In simple terms, the public charge rule focuses only on certain immigrants applying for green cards or visas. It only considers a small set of benefits, and most programs families relying on are not included. This means families can access the support they need and still protect their immigration options. Staying informed helps parents make smart choices for their children's future and their family's security.